Every country has their favourite treat, but one that is beloved around the world for France is the classic eclair. The eclair originated in France during the 19th century. The word éclair means lightning in French, and it's said that it was named so because it's so delicious that it disappears as quickly as lightning. An éclair is a long, thin pastry made from choux dough which puffs up in the oven, creating a light, hollow centre. This is the magic of éclair. That perfect, airy texture which makes it both rich and delicate at the same time. But the real magic happens when the éclair is filled. Traditionally, it's piped with a rich, creamy custard-like filling called crème pâtissière. Usually flavoured with chocolate or vanilla, the contrast between the crisp outer shell and the creamy interior is what éclair dreams are made of. And let's not forget about the icing on the cake, or in this case, the icing on the éclair. Typically, éclairs are topped with a glossy, sweet glaze that complements the filling. Classic éclairs are dipped in chocolate or coffee icing, but today you'll find all sorts of creative variations. Speaking of variations, the evolution of the éclair has been remarkable, from matcha and salted caramel to raspberry and pistachio. There's an éclair for every palate. Chefs around the world have been experimenting with fillings, toppings, and even shapes, turning the humble éclair into a canvas for culinary artistry. Éclairs aren't just about taste. They are a blend of science and art. Making the perfect éclair requires precision, the right amount of heat to puff up the dough, the skill to pipe the delicate filling, and the artistry to glaze it beautifully. The éclair is more than just a pastry. It's a symbol of culinary elegance and creativity, whether enjoyed in a chic Parisian cafe or as a homemade treat. Each éclair is a little piece of joy. If you'd like to hear us talk about more areas of food, culture, and far more, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.